So good afternoon everyone. Welcome to online classes of Yale Public School. Today we will discuss question answer of our EVS chapter number 23. Chapter name is Our Heritage. Okay. So let's start. Question number 1, multiple choice question. Ranthambore forest is situated in Ranthambore fort is situated in Jaisalmer, Savai Madhopur, Barmer, and correct answer is Savai Madhopur. Next is Rani Padmini performed Johar in Chittorgarh Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Mehrangarh Fort. So correct answer is Chittorgarh Fort. Now, how many stories are there in Vijayastham? So options are 6, 9 and 5 and correct answer is 9. Vijayastham is situated in Sonar Fort, Jagar Fort, Chittorgarh Fort. So correct answer is Chittorgarh Fort. Next is in ancient time, rocks were transported with the help of truck, elephant or bullock and correct answer is elephant. Vijayastham was built by Maharana Kumbha, Rana Sanga, Maharana Pratap and correct answer is Maharana Kumbha. Now come to next question answer, fill in the blank. Trinetra Ganesh temple is situated in Savai Madhopur district. Kirti Stambh is approximately 22-meter high, consists of 7 stories. Mehrangarh Fort is also known as Chidyatunk, and historical monuments are our national heritage. Kumbhalgarh Fort is also known as the Eye of Mewar, and next is Jagat Fort is in Jaipur. Now next question number 3, true false. First one is Lohagarh Fort is in Rajsamand, so this statement is false. It is the responsibility of every citizen to protect historical monuments. This statement is true. Third is Vijayastham has 7 floors. This statement is false. Kumbhalgarh Fort is situated in Rajsamand district. This statement is true. Palaces were constructed for the residence of the kings and his family members. This statement is true. Now come to question number 4, that is question answer. First one is why were there small pointed nails on over the gate of the fort? फोर्ट के किले के जो गेट होते थे उन पर छोटे छोटे पॉइंटेड जो नेल्स हैं कीले हैं वो क्यों लगी होती थी? So there were small pointed nails on the gate of the fort to safeguard against the enemies. Next one is what was the reason for the construction of huge gate in the fort? Fort में बड़े बड़े जो गेट थे वो क्यों कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते थे? So in the ancient time, the elephants were there in the king's army. किंग्स की आर्मी में क्या थे उस वक्त? एलिफेंट थे, तो एलिफेंट के मूवमेंट के लिए so that's why therefore huge gates were constructed for their movement. उनके movements के लिए gate construct करवाए जाते थे. Now next is why the watch towers were constructed on the upper side of the wall. Wall की जो upper side है उस पर जो watch towers हैं वो क्यों build up करवाए जाते थे? Because the burj or watchtowers were constructed the upper side of the wall from where the soldiers could see any attacking army and fire bullets from there for their defense. Question number 4 is why the forts constructed on high altitude. Altitude means height पर बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचाई पर क्यों बनाया जाता था forts को? So the forts were constructed on high altitude for safety purpose ताकि जो enemy है वो easily वहां तक reach नहीं कर सके. Next question number 5 is why should we protect the historical monuments? हमें क्यों historical monuments को protect करना चाहिए? Historical monuments are our national heritage and it is the responsibility of every citizen to protect them. Now next is, where is the Trinetra Ganesh temple situated? So correct answer is Ranthambore Fort. Where did the first Saka of Rajasthan take place? In Ranthambore Fort. And name two hill forts. So first one is Mehrangarh Fort, Jodhpur, and second one is Ranthambore Fort in Savai Madhopur. Question number 9 is, what are ancient monuments? So ancient buildings which give information about the kings, emperors and their victories are called ancient monuments. Palaces of kings, forts and हवेलीज एक्सेट्रा आर आवर एंशियंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स. ओके, प्राचीन जो बिल्डिंग्स होती थी, पुरानी जो बिल्डिंग्स हैं जो कि हमें वहाँ के किंग के बारे में, एम्परर के बारे में या जो भी उन्होंने विक्ट्रीज की वॉर में, उनके बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देती थी. ठीक है, उन्हें हम एंशियंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स कहते हैं. तो इसमें जितने भी किंग्स के पैलेसेस हैं, फोर्ट्स हैं, हवेलीज हैं, वो सब हम एंशियंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स में कंसीडर करते हैं. Now next is, what is the difference between fort and palace? Fort में और palace में क्या फर्क है? Fort means होता है किला, palace means महल. So the forts were constructed for the security purpose. Fort को build up किया जाता था, construct किया जाता था security purpose के लिए. Whereas the palaces were constructed for the residence of the kings and his family member. King और उसके family member के रहने के लिए जो construct किया जाता था, that are palaces. Okay. Now next question is, what are hill forts? So the fort which are situated on the upper part of the hills are called hill forts. For example, Lohagarh Fort, Bharatpur, Jaigarh Fort, Jaipur, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Rajsamand and Sonar Fort, Jaisalmer, etc. नेक्स्ट इज राइट द की फीचर्स ऑफ द फोर्ट्स. फोर्ट्स में क्या क्या फीचर्स हैं जो एक किले में होने चाहिए फोर्ट में. सो द फोर्ट वर कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन हाई एल्टीट्यूड एंड देयर वॉल्स वर वेरी थिक. वो बहुत ही हाइट पर, ऊंचाई पर बनाए जाने चाहिए एंड उनकी जो वॉल्स हैं, दीवारें हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा थिक होनी चाहिए. Next is, there were small pointed nails on the gate of the fort for the security purpose, and holes were also made on the upper part of the wall from where the soldier could see the attacking army and fire bullets. Okay, wall के upper part में hole भी होने चाहिए because वहाँ से जो soldier हैं वो attacking army को see कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं and वहाँ से उन पर bullets भी fire कर सकते हैं. And there were many beautiful palaces for the residence of the kings and his family member. And king और उसकी family member के लिए बहुत सारे beautiful palaces भी fort में होने चाहिए. Now next is, name the four main museum of Rajasthan. First one is Ahar Museum, Udaipur, Bharatiya Lok Kala Museum, Udaipur, Albert Hall Museum, Jaipur, and Mehrangarh Fort and Museum, Jodhpur. Now write about Ranthambore Fort in short. So Ranthambore Fort is situated in Savai Madhopur district. This fort has the famous Trinetra Ganesh temple of Rajasthan, and the most significant features of the fort is that Rajasthan's first Saka took place here and it is a hill fort. Write the note on Chittorgarh Fort. So Chittorgarh Fort is also a hill fort and it is the huge and very high fort. The fort of Chittorgarh is matchless examples of Rajasthan's art and architectures, and it is a very famous fort in the history of Rajasthan. Front door of this fort is a big gate with pointed nails are there on the gate for safety purpose. After that, the walls of Chittorgarh fort were very thick and holes are also there on the upper part of the wall. And the fort were constructed at high altitude and rocks required for their construction were transported with the help of elephants. Now next is Mahal. Many palaces are there in the fort for the residence of kings and his family members. Stump, there are two stumps in Chittorgarh fort. First one is Vijay Stump. It is situated in Chittorgarh fort and it was constructed by Maharana Kumbha. This is a 122 feet high and consists of 9 stories. Next stamp is Kirti Stamp. It is also situated in Chittorgarh Fort and it was constructed in the year 1448. It is approximately 22-meter high and consists of 7 stories. Now next is question number 16. Write the name of the district where following fort are situated and complete the table. First one is Ranthambore Fort. It's situated in Savai Madhopur. Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur. Kumbhalgarh Fort in Rajsamand. Lohagarh Fort in Bharatpur. And next Jaigarh Fort in Jaipur and Sonargarh Fort in Jaisalmer. Now paste the picture of the fort in your copies. So first one is Mehrangarh Fort, then Sonar Fort. Third one is Ranthambore Fort, Lohagarh Fort, and the last one is Jaigarh Fort and Kumbhalgarh Fort. Clear? So here is our question answer of chapter number 23 is completed. I hope you all understood about that. So thank you so much.